This is how you remove the corner glass for the rear door for a 2012 Camry. You have to remove the panel, the glass, and loosen the track. There's another video to show you how to do that, but after everything's done, you just move the track aside. You push the track. You slide the glass out. And there you go. That's how you replace it. Just install everything back the same. And the reason why I'm doing it because my old door has tinted window, and I'm replacing the door, and I'm replacing the windows with my old ones. And yeah, just install everything, you know, in reverse, and you should be good. This is just gonna be a quick time lapse to install it back in. I'm gonna go time lapse. So, hello. The full video is in the description where I check out the panels and the back glass. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.